Hi friends, my name is Majas, and welcome to Majas Tech. Today I am showing how to check your video call is secure or not. We are doing this video with Telegram video call. I have a reason to choose Telegram. I will tell you later, so let's get started. First of all, open Telegram and call your friend. Telegram was late to introduce video call feature. The reason from late is, they was researching for advanced security and high privacy feature in video call, which normal messengers doesn't have. Then after connecting, please check this 4 symbols are same in your and your friend's device. If this 4 emojis are same in both devices, it means the encryption of the video call is 100% secure. Means happy news to you. Your call is not spying by anyone. The reason I choose Telegram is, I couldn't find this feature in any another video calling platforms. So guys, that's all for this time. If you like this video then please like and comment. If this video is really new knowledge to you then help me to spread knowledge by sharing this video. Then I hope you guys see you next time.